everybody. My name's Alana. I just got to Korea not too long ago for tourism. We're here in Seoul, the capital city of Korea, and I decided I wanted to show you guys some of the cool things they've got going on here. So, I think we're going to ride my bike, we're going to put the camcorder on there, and we're going to go check it all out, okay, you guys? So, got it all charged up and ready to go. We'll see. Don't fail me. And I got my friend over here. Hi!
Hi.
Hi, how are you? We're going to go check things out, okay? See ya! Okay, well, looks like we checked out of Namdaemun now, so let's go head somewhere else. Well, it won't go on here. Okay. Let's get on this sucker. Bye-bye! Well, this street is called Insadong. I guess there's a square for performances here, but it doesn't seem like there's anything going on today. All the signs here are supposed to be written in Korean, actually. You can see there's a lot of Korean going on. I guess even Starbucks is written in Korean only. You can see that. Let me see. Let's see if we can. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Can you see this building over here? See right there? This one right there. Can you tell what does that say?
Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks. Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay. Wow. You see, that means Starbucks. I should tell that to my friends when I get home. Well, going down Insadong now. Wonder what all this stuff is over here. Pretty busy today, actually. Hello. Look at all these people. Must be good food. Oh, it looks delicious. Amazing. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Candy. Look at all this cool stuff. Completely different from anything in my country.
꿀타래는 이걸로 만드는데 이게 꿀로 만든 덩어리, 꿀덩어리, this and honey.
Oh, honey.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Oh, handsome boy. Okay.
Yo, yeah. Fermented honey.
Okay.
밑에는 가루가 옥수수로 만든 가루, 옥수수 가루, cornstarch. cornstarch. 자, 꿀덩어리. 딱딱해요. Honey, so very hard. 퉁퉁퉁. 와우, so hard. 딱딱하다라고 하는데요. 덩어리는 도구로 구멍을 한 번 뻥 뚫어요. Making hole. 반대쪽에도 구멍을 두 번 뚫어요. Two hole. Another hole. 자, 나머지는 저희 손으로서만 만들 거예요. Only my hand making show.
Okay.
자, 조금씩 English little by little 늘리고 늘려요. 스트레칭 16,000가닥이라는 꿀실을 제가 만드는데요. Honey, feed and beat, some making 16,000 strings. 와우. The Korea King's Dessert. Honey, cold cake. 왕이 드셨던 궁중다가라고들 하죠. 자, 봐봐요. 가닥의 숫자 하나, 둘. Honey, 1, 2 strings. 4가닥, 4, 8가닥, 8, 16가닥, 16, 30에 2, 32, 60에 넷, 64, 100에 28, 128, 296, 256, 512, 512은 중간 굵기라는 1024가닥, 1024 strings. 짠! 요렇게 가늘기. 와우! 아직이에요. 별반 반응은 없죠? 하지만 전 열심히 할 뿐이에요. 나디의 One More 2048 2048 4096 4096 8192가닥 8192 마지막 라스트 파이널 카운트 1만에 6,000가닥이 16,000 strings 짠 요렇게 가늘게요. 와우 가늘어졌어요. 박수.
Oh, very nice. Very good job.
Sing I love you, 유후후. 자, 16,000가닥의 꿀실은 이렇게 많이 가늘어서요. 뼈에 많이 달라붙지가 않고요. 달지가 않아 부드러워서 맛이 좋고요. Honey skin is very thin. 달지가 않아요. Not so sweet. 맛있다. Delicious. 정말로 리얼리라고 하는데요. 자, 하이라이트 16,000가닥 하이라이트요. 16,000 strings 하이라이트는 이렇게 가늘어요. 와우. English, oh my god, wow, delicious, 사바라바라, yummy. 이 꿀실은 많이 가늘어서요. 그냥 먹어도 맛있지만요. 이 꿀실 속 안에 고소한 고명이 또 들어가는데요. 어떻게 넣는지까지 보여드릴게요. 꿀실을 늘려서 먹기 좋게 뚝 잘라요. Honey, pears. 안에는 고소한 고명을 넣어요. 워낙, 파우더, 푸딩, 넣고 돌돌돌돌돌. English, rolling, rolling, rolling. 짠짠짠짠. 와우. You take a man when you come to the freezer. Crispy, more delicious.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
I love you.
Well, I got it. I guess I should try it now. Okay, everybody. Well, if you see up here, I'll zoom in. I don't really know what that means, but anyway, it looks pretty interesting, so why don't we go inside and check it out? Why don't we go up this, see what we can find. I wonder what all this is. Wow. This is the cutest stuff I've ever seen. That's so cute. Amazing. Well, I made it to the 4th floor of this place. Check it all out. Amazing. Shops everywhere, people everywhere. Wow. Hello, everybody. We can come over to the side. Well, everybody, I think I'm just gonna rest here. I've had a pretty rough day. Feeling kind of tired. My legs are hurting me. So, my friend said he was gonna meet me here. So, we'll just wait for him, I guess. It was a nice day, though. Korea is really beautiful. So many fun things to see. Finally, you got here. Hey, what are you? Put that down. Oh, so tired today. It was a rough day. Oh, check this out. Push play. Making some kind of, I don't know, Korean traditional snack apparently out of honey and corn powder. I don't know. It was really fun. Honey, yeah. Cornstarch. And cornstarch, he said. It was really good. It was a really fun time. Well, I don't know. I think we should try it. Sounds like it'd be good. Today was a really good day, though. So many people and lots of fun things to do, good food, and great time. Oh, that was so much fun there. Oh.